Okay, in this lesson, we're just purely going to be looking at areas of a trapezium. So a trapezium is where we see this type of shape. We see these parallel lines, and then they're joined together to form this sort of shape that we can see in the diagram there. Alright, so the formula they're saying here is A plus B times the height. So A is the length of the top parallel line and B is the length of the bottom. So you add them together, then you times it by the height, and then you divide it all by 2. Okay, we need to remember that our units need to be all the same. So if they've given a length in centimetres and another in millimetres, you'll have to convert it. So if we have a look at this one here, so hopefully you note that it's a trapezium, so you will write your formula. So sometimes you might see it written like this, because a half, A plus B times height. So I'm going to write it like that, and off I go. I'm going to say it's a half. Now my A is here and B, so it's 6 plus 10 and times 4. So you can pop it on your calculator if you want, but if we go 6 plus 10, that's 16 times 4. If you do a half times 16, that's 8 times 4, which equals 8 times 4 is 32. Now this is areas, so the units will be a squared unit. So we've got area equals 32 centimetres squared. If you did it straight off on your calculator up at this point, just type that in like that, you should get the same answer and it's the same. Okay, so just be careful when you're doing your questions that the units are all the same. They were here, but they might not be, so practicing, always looking for that.